Mira, le saltó. Yo que les iba a decir.
Oh, man, the voyage to the corner of the globe is a real trip. This song, it sounds good. Mining away, I don't know. Find diamonds, I'm mining, so hold on too easy to mine with my Minecraft pickaxe and shovels. In my Minecraft chests, so I'm gonna make a rock on it.
Bruh.
You know what it sounds like when you go in my
Ese cree grande.
These nuts. Got him! Got him!
He's stupid. What's 9 plus 10?
I already saw it.
Apúrenle, ponle algo.
Espérate, cuando vea que yo.
Mira que ya vienen muchos viewers.
¡Córrele! Ahí viene tu bestie con su peluca. What are you doing in my swamp? ¿Dónde sea? Ay.
Taking our truck cut. Bájense de la troca cut.
Good luck. Bigyan mo na pera, Roma.
Light up, my band. I like your sketcher. You like my beauty shoes. That's why I like your sketcher. You like me too. Me and friends, all of us in the booth. That is all my Run.
You want him to do you so much you could do anything. So yeah, I'm a kid, and I'm also a goofball, and a wingnut, and a knucklehead McSnagatron.
What's going on here?
But most of all,
Settle down. What the scout? I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard sun will pop the clock.
your wish.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun.
Do we have to wear pickle jars?
Exposed.
Would you two please stop throwing snowballs?
Who do you think you are? You're in a mental hospital.
Someone should put you in a box floating down the river, Grandma.
Squid, it could be worse.
Yeah, you could be bald and have a big nose.